Observe the graph y equals f of x, which of the following represents the transformation for the function g of x equals f of x plus 4 minus 1. So it looks like we have this weird half oval looking thing that happens between -1 and 3, and then it kind of starts at 2, and is almost a unit tall, but not completely a unit tall. So we kind of have it boxed in, between -1 to 3 and 2 to 3. Okay. And then we're given this guy f of x plus 4 in parentheses minus 1. Whenever you have a number being added or subtracted inside the same parentheses as x, you are looking at a horizontal shift. Okay. Now, a lot of teachers would say you move left or you move right, and that's all good and great, and that will help you understand this. But when you add 4, it's opposite of what you expect. You would expect that adding 4 has you go right 4 units, but that's not true. Whenever you see f of x minus something, it's that minus something that tells you whether you move left or right. So since this is a positive 4, you actually move left 4. This is worded as a horizontal shift of -4, because it would be written as x minus -4, x plus 4. And if you're looking at that and thinking point slope thoughts, you're thinking the right thing. So we're going to take this guy and we're going to move this to the left 4. I know I'm not done, but we're going to move this to the left 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 has it ending up to the left right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 has it ending to the right somewhere over there. Now, when you subtract a number outside of the parentheses, and, it's just kind of some random number floating around, that is a vertical shift. This is normal. So -1 means down 1 in this case. We would word this in AP Precalculus as a vertical shift of -1. So I'm just going to take something that is left 4, and then you take that and just move it down 1. So it's going to appear as a semicircle somewhere around here, semi-oval or whatever that is. So stuff that happens between positive 1 and 2 now on the y-axis, and -5 and -1 on the x-axis, and B looks like the guy to do that. Okay, if you see numbers multiplied to f of x, that has to do with shrink and compression and all that stuff, or dilation. Numbers multiplied to x kind of changes stuff like that too, but we're not dealing with any of that. We're just dealing with horizontal shift and vertical shift. That's the end of that. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.